How did I convert this shaky video into a perfectly stable video? After I posted my last two surgery videos, some of you guys reached out to me asking me how my surgery videos are so stable. So in this video, I'll be explaining the steps I follow to make sure that the final video is stable. Before that, let me show you how the raw unedited video footage looks like. All my videos are shot with my Google Pixel 6a phone camera. This phone is held in the hand for recording the video. That is why you can see the raw video is a bit shaky. Now when I zoom into the oral cavity, the video becomes way more shakier as the camera movements are amplified because of zooming in. The process of stabilizing the video starts even before we start recording the video. First, I place a small dot with a whitener on the bite block that I use for the surgery. This dot is going to be my reference point for video stabilization. Second, I make sure that my camera settings are set to record at least a 4K video at least a 60 frames per second frame rate. This would make sure that I can easily zoom into the oral cavity without getting a pixelated footage. Here you can see that this is a 4K image, and when I zoom into the dental probe, there is minimal pixelation. Whereas when I zoom into the 1K image, the pixelation is obvious. With a minimum of 60 frames per second frame rate, we eliminate the motion blur that we get in a 30 fps frame rate video. Once we have the preparation all done, it is just a matter of shooting a video and importing it into a video editing software of your choice. The software that I use is Davinci Resolve. It is a free software and it is more than enough for my use case. Fun fact, Davinci Resolve have been used in editing many Hollywood movies. Once I add my video to Davinci Resolve, I click on this button to move to the Fusion page. Here I add a tracker node and move the tracker box to the white spot I made on the bite block. And then I click on this button to start the tracking process. So basically I tell the software that this white spot is not supposed to move from its position. Once the process is over, I click on this operation button. In the drop down menu, I select match move, and in the merge options, I select BG only, and that's it. The video is now stabilized and the software nullifies all the camera movements automatically. And that's the final video. And here's the comparison of the video before and after stabilization. So remember, a few minutes of smart preparation goes a long way into saving you hours of manual work. Thank you for watching.